BB star. Now you can also compose NFA for simple A. So this simple A, it can be write like this transition diagram. For alteration also you can take. Suppose understand it contains the zero operator. There is no operator. It can be construct like this. A from I to F, there will be A. Suppose there is an operator, that is alteration, either accept N, S or NT. How do you construct now? You can have two more state, one for initial state, one for final state. This can be constructed by combined through epsilon. Combined through epsilon. So this is the main idea behind alteration. Either accept machine N of S or N of T. So this is one. Then composing NFAs with a concatenation. Here also M dot N. So which you have seen in the regular expressions. So he has given two machine, one of N of S. N of S followed by N of T. That means you are combining. So it not required any of your additional state. So that's you are combined directly N of S followed by N of T. There is a repetition that is also called as a Kleene closure. Kleene closure. So in N of S star, it can take any of your without taking any input, it can going to be final state. Suppose there is no input, it will be epsilon, it will go directly to the input. Suppose there is only one of NS, it will take this path and it will go to the final state. Suppose you have NS, suppose more than one of NS is there, it will take to this path and finally it will go to this path. Okay, so this is a repetition. It will be like this. Suppose A star. So how do you construct A star? First you have to construct A. So this is A. In this, suppose simple A, this will be this state will F state will be the final, I state will be the initial state. Suppose I need to construct for star. So it required two more state, one for initial state, one for final state. Without taking input, it will go to the next state. This becomes final state. So this is become epsilon. This becomes. Suppose there is only A. Your input is there is only A. It will take this path. It will go and join. Suppose there is an input AA. It will take this path. Read one A. We have one more A. Then it will come back to this through epsilon, read again one more A and join, go to the final state. Like this, any number of A's are there, it will be accepted and reach the final state. Okay, so we will look at once again what are the some of the example of regular expressions. This is A is an example, any character. So it is regular expressions. Empty string which is represented by epsilon. So there is these three or four are repeating or more important. It all from the ATC. So M or N, this alteration, M followed by N, M star, M plus. You already know that what is star and Z. It may appear 0 or more times. So plus indicates 1 or more times is appeared. So this question mark is there one more regular expressions that is called optional or 0 or optional or 0 or 1 occurrence of M. And one more set of characters will comes within the square bracket that indicates a range. So whatever the character from lowercase letter from A to Z and uppercase letter from A to Z, it will comes under this which recognizes a regular expression or tokens. So the dot indicates that any character except new line. So that other expression, whatever the things is comes within the code, that itself, that is a itself, it can be appear any number of times. Okay.